Hope you find my lesson easy to understand. Please subscribe my channel. Your one like is more than a million view for me. In this chapter, I will tell you about trigonometric identities. What is trigonometric identities? Trigonometric identity means first what is the meaning of identity? An equation is called an identity when it is true for all values of the variable involved. For example, see this is a line cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1. It means a की कोई भी वैल्यू हो उसको सॉल्व करने के बाद आंसर 1 आना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल cos 30, सपोज हम a का 30 डिग्री लेते हैं तो cos स्क्वायर 30 डिग्री प्लस साइन स्क्वायर 30 डिग्री 1 होना चाहिए. 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा इज इक्वल टू साइन स्क्वायर थीटा ये प्रूफ करना है तो कॉस थीटा की कोई भी वैल्यू होगी तो उससे वो प्रूव होनी चाहिए. सो हियर द सिंपल ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज आर cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Now how to prove it? In a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Okay. And these are the corners. A corner A, corner B and corner C. Corner B is right angle corner. Corner A and corner C are acute angle. So what is this? This is perpendicular, this is base and this is hypotenuse. So according to Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, now dividing both side by AC square. AC square, AC square. Okay, so this is 1 is equal to, what is this AB? It is AB upon AC. AB upon AC. It means base upon this hypotenuse. So it is going to be cos square theta plus BC upon AC. This is BC, this is AC. So it is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. It is going to be sin square theta. So it is equal to the first identity. So it is proved. The same way, now if you bring this rearrange this equation, what you will get? If you bring cos square theta this side minus this way, you will get the second identity, this one. Then you divide this by here sin square theta divided by cos square theta, cos square theta, cos square theta. What will happen? See, cos square theta, cos square theta, cos square theta. So this becomes sec square theta. This becomes 1 and this becomes tan square theta. So you will get this identity. The same way you will get the identity. It means you are proving that yes, these are situations which are true for all values of these variables. So you remember the table which I have shown you in earlier classes. It was the values variable. Here 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Do you remember how we made that? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 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 4. Square root, square root, square root, square root, square root. So ultimately this value is 0. This is 1 upon 2 root 2. No, it is 1 upon 2. Okay, so this is 1 upon root 2 and this is root 3 by 2 and this is 1. So it was the line for sine 1. Same way you should know how to make the cos by reversing this side. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 upon root 2 then 1 upon 2, and then it is 0. The same way you can calculate the 10th value, that is dividing sine theta's values by cos theta values. Okay, so now here I've got the values of sine 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 and cos values. So we can put these values here in this equation, sine A plus B. We can take any two values. Suppose I take 30 and 60 value. A is equal to 30 degree and B is equal to 60. So let us put this value and see whether this identity is correct or not. So sine A cos B. A we had taken it A 30 degree and B we had taken 60 degree. Right. Now what is sine A 30 degree? It is 1 by 2. So we take it 1 by 2. What is cos B? Cos B is 60 degree, cos 60. Cos 60 is again 1 by 2. Right? Now it is plus cos A. Cos A means 30 degree. Cos 30. What is cos 30? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Now sin B. Sin B is sin 60. So it is root 3 by 2. Okay. Now let us solve it. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, it is going to be 1 by 4. Root 3 is going to be 3 by 4. So what is this? 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is going to be 1. So yes, it is correct. Or you take it this way also. Sin 30 plus sin 60. What is going to be? Sin 90, and sin 90 is 1. So it is on the left hand side 1. It is on the right hand side is 1. So this identity is also true. So this is what we are going to find out here, how the trigonometric identities are proved. This is the easy way to understand trigonometric identity. रटना आसान है लेकिन उसको समझ के करना बहुत मुश्किल है. तो अगर आप समझ के उसको करते जाएंगे तो फिर आगे ये बड़ी क्लासेस में जाके 11th में इनका इस्तेमाल होगा और आपको कोई कन्फ्यूजन नहीं होगी. थैंक यू. अभी मैं अपना लेसन यहीं ख़त्म करती हूँ और आइडेंटिटीज़ को प्रूव करने के लिए नेक्स्ट वीडियो डालूँगी. थैंक यू. सी यू सून.